Angels cry in 3, 2, 1. Angels shouldn't have walked away. I would have stayed if you say we could have made everything okay, but we just threw the blame back and forth. We treated love like a sport. A final blow hit so low, I'm still on the ground. Couldn't prepare myself for this fall. Shattered in pieces, curled on the floor. Supernatural love conquers all memory. Used to touch the sky. Lightning don't strike.